Welcome back, folks. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Amy. I am a Canva coach and a certified community trainer. And today is an updated video on a video I had in one of my playlists about skewing images for billboards. I know you guys are really missing the app Reshape, and today I'm going to show you how to create a skewed effect for billboards in about 2 to 3 steps. And you will love this method, I am sure. Now I'm going to go right away to my elements section because I'm going to search for a billboard. I'm going to go into photos and I'll use this image right here. I'm going to add another page because now I want to kind of work with my image. So I'm going to create another page. I'm going to go back to templates because I want to search for a burger menu. And this is what's come up for me. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download this because I'm going to use this in the next step. So I'll just download page 2. And I'll say done. Now, why am I downloading this? Because this is a template and it's full of elements and I need an image to go into my billboard. So I'm going to come back to my first page. I'm going to bring that image back into my workspace. Here it is right here. And I want you to take note of this image because you might have the same problem that I'm about to experience. We can see that this image, around the edges, there's really not a lot of room, meaning this burger is right up against the perimeter of my right side, and the text, there's a little bit of room, but I just want you to take note of the spacing around the text and around this burger image, okay? I'm going to decrease this, but I am going to use this in the next app. So I'm going to grab this image and I'm going to go right away to an app called Skew Image. This is what it looks like right here. And we can see right away that it has skewed my image. Now this is perfect. I really don't need a lot of adjustment here. I'm just comparing this image to my billboard. I can see that my right side is straight. My left side is straight. Over here it's straight, here it's straight. Maybe it can be a little bit less angled over here. So I'm going to just adjust a little bit like that. And I'll add this design to my workspace. So here it is right here. Now the only problem is that it doesn't fit into my billboard. And that's a problem, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this billboard. And let me just grab these 2 images and I'm just going to move these to the side, but I'll keep them right there because I'm going to need them. And I'm going to grab this billboard. We're going to go to another app, and that other app is called Trace to Frame. So I'm going to go to my apps section and we're going to search for an app called Trace to Frame. Here it is right here. And with my image selected, I'm going to start tracing. So I'm going to click on the points. And if you need to adjust the points, you can do that too. We can come here and we just grab that point and just bring it down. We can bring this down too a little bit. And we can bring this one over to the side like that, just so that we have everything covered. So that's looking pretty good to me. I don't need any corner rounding and I don't need any borders. So those are both set to 0. And I'm going to add this to my design. So here it is right here. And I'm just going to fit it right on top of that billboard. Now I'm going to take the original image Okay, so this is the original image, the image that we did not skew at all. And I'm going to pop that into the frame just so you can take a look and see what that looks like. So here it is right here. It's not very pleasant looking. If we double click and we adjust, we want to rotate it. That's what it's going to look like right there. Still not a very good image. So I'm going to grab that image and we're just going to delete the image because that's not working at all. But here's my skewed image. I'm going to pop that in there. So there it is right there. I'm going to double click and I'm going to just resize that. And it kind of does work, except my image is too small for that frame. And so that's why I was saying to you, like, pay attention about how much space is around the actual burger menu or around your main element. Let's come back over here and let's grab the text. And let's just make it a little bit smaller. Grab those and move those in there. And the burger, we can make that a little bit smaller as well. And we can make these elements a little bit larger. Like that. I'm going to take this image now and I'm going to download it like I did before. I only want page 2. And let's come back here to our first page. I'm going to grab this image and I'm going to place it on my workspace. And again, we're going to go back into the Skew Image app. Here it is right here. And again, I want to kind of repeat what I did the first time. I want to kind of make sure that my angles are similar to the billboard. So you can adjust the horizontal skew, you can adjust the vertical skew to get the best result up here in the preview. I'm just going to leave things the way they are, and I'm going to say add to design. I'm going to grab this, I'm going to place it back into my frame. Here it is right here. I'm going to double click. I'm going to make it a little bit larger just to eliminate that white space there. And I'll just rotate it slightly just to make it look like it's straight on this side right here. I'm going to click outside so we can take a closer look. So that's what that's going to look like. It looks almost 100% skewed. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than just using trace to frame. Now, if you were going to place an image in here, let me take a copy of this. I mean, obviously we can tell that it's not 100% skewed because we're using text, and text is really unforgivable. But if we were using an image of people, so let me just close this, and I'm going to just search for party, and I'll grab this, and let's go back to the Skew app. Here it is right here. And we're going to apply the same methodology. So I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to get rid of the main image and plop this right inside. I'll double click. Just make it a little bit larger on both sides. And that's what that's going to look like. It looks fairly skewed to me. Again, this image isn't big enough, or there isn't enough space around it. That's why the heads are getting cut off. So you'll have to apply the same methodology as we did with the burger menu. So what do you think of this skewing process? Let me know in the comments. Let me know whether this is something that you would use. If you like this video, press that like button. If you learned anything, press that like button. And if you can, and you're on mobile, please hype this video. It gives my channel more exposure. All right, guys, for now, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.